Look how calm this water is. It always like this? This is calm, man.
Not always.
I hate jet ski sometimes.
Yeah?
You don't feel you're driving.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Because it's that much calm today. And the visibility is awesome.
Yeah.
I just don't wanna do this, I just wanna go snorkel.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh,
true.
today for
Certainly.
sure, yeah.
Sure.
Okay. All right. So you have the storage in here. Oops. Go, babe. Yeah. Oh.
Open the
That
hatch.
should fit in. Just barely.
That's why I said if it is too big,
Yes.
it might not go in.
Is there room?
We'll make it.
Okay.
You'll make it. There you go. Cool.
There you go.
Holy moly.
Let's see how this is recording now. Yeah, this should be good.
Holy moly.
Okay. So that's
Safety
Yeah, safety. Yeah.
goes over here. Start and stop over here.
Yeah.
So keep pressing until it starts. And the gas is over here. So
Gas.
This is the throttle
Yeah.
to move forward.
Okay.
If you let go also it will be a normal, but it will move. If you want to stop, you can just stop over here.
Okay.
Cool. And
This
this,
is-
one we don't use.
This is the reverse or
Because-
whatever.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
But most of the people do like go faster and put reverse in it.
Oh no, no.
And
See,
it's-
you turned it off.
That's why we removed it out.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you do that.
That's fine.
You get that, babe?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't have to dock it or anything, anyways. Okay, so I'm following you.
Yes.
Oh, baby. I'm recording, yeah.
To the dolphin.
Right to the Dolphins? You know where they are?
Hold on.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Are you okay?
We'll drive over here on this road.
Okay. Very good. Ooh, baby, this thing's got some power. What straps? I'm the only one who gets a strap. Oh, baby, look at this. Oh, we paid big money for this. We better see some dolphins. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah. You see those things. Here
Sick. I know where he's taking us. Same spot we saw them yesterday. He is fast, man. This thing's not going fast enough.
we go. That's it?
Yeah.
That's the highest?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but he's.
This is amazing!
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Checking my camera. are out there, baby.
Wow, look at these corals.
Wow.
Wow.
Is this where they come? Oh man, this looks cool, baby.
Wow, look at the water. Look at down here. Wow.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Where's the dolphins? Where are they? Come on, dolphins!
I mean, it's directly here.
This is incredible. Yeah. Let's see. I see them! I see them! You see them? They're over there.
There?
Yeah, I got them on camera.
They're right there.
Yeah?
Here.
Oh wow.
Let's
You gonna scare them?
bonitos.
They're small?
Bonitos.
Oh yeah?
Oh. Wow.
Look at that, babe. Do you see them?
Yeah, I do. Oh,
Oh my
God.
god! I can go close? Turn it off? Look at them. Oh my god. Yeah. Go low speed? Oh my god, what is that? Dolphins.
Wow.
I saw them.
Wow.
Hey, dolphins, where are you? Where are you going? So they're under us.
You're under us, eh?
Oh, they're loving it today. How calm the water is. Did you see that dolphin just stick his head out?
Yes, I can see
Will they swim with us if we go fast? The sound of the motor doesn't scare them away?
No.
Wow. Will they swim with us if we go fast? Oh, look behind you, babe. Oh, look at them all. Hey. Hey. Wow. Wow, wow. Too much? Wow. They are not shy, eh?
Wow.
They love saying hello.
So you don't need to press, just let it go.
Just let it go. Okay. I thought you were saying to speed up a little bit.
That's the dolphin. They will come on top of the.
Oh, yeah? Okay, so as long as I don't push the babe, look, they're gonna come like anywhere around here. They might come like play with us. They might come say hi and play with us. He's got a good eye, eh?
He does.
Oh, wow. Look, there.
Oh, wow. Hello, friends. Oh my God.
Go slowly according to the heading.
Yeah. Go where they're going, yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Wow, man. Oh, wow. They're going to swim with us. Babe, they're going to swim with us. Oh, yeah.
They're so beautiful.
Look how many. Look, I can see them in the water. I can see them. Look. Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies.
Incredible.
What's up, buddy?
That's cool.
Look at them. You can see them. Look at them. They're going that way. Look.
Yeah, I see them.
Hey. Hey, big fishy.
They love the waves. Jumping on the waves.
They like the waves, yeah. They're going for the waves. I can see them. Wow, babe. They're going for the waves of the boat. Yeah. Hey, that's cool, man.
You know, once you see the dolphin, you got your camera, put your head.
Yeah? I don't want to lose it. I'm not taking it off my head. I'm gonna take my glasses off though.
Look back.
They're there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take smaller speed.
They're there.
No, we're gonna go.
There's dolphins.
Yeah. That's where we're going. We just can't go too fast. We don't want to scare them. Wow. I should jump in and swim with them. These are wild dolphins, man.
Wild. Yeah.
Will they swim with me if I jump in? Wow! Keep the speed. Oh, wow. Look at them.
Wow.
Look at them. Hey! Hey, buddies.
Wow.
Hey, buddies.
You're going too fast.
I too fast? I scared them? Well, you keep saying go faster.
No, keep the same limit of speed.
Okay.
Keep it like little close.
That was good.
Stay here, you wanna head out?
Well, how much more is there to see? That's pretty much it, no? Yeah. So you wanna go see some islands now?
Wait, one more time. I want to see what they found.
She wants one more time.
One more time.
Where are you? Where's our buddies? Where's our buddies? Oh, they're right there.
Where?
They're right
Go
there.
Go there. One more time.
Take out your phone from the cover.
Yeah, take your phone out. She's gonna lose it. They're coming our way. They're coming our way, babe. They're coming to us.
Okay, okay.
Oh, they're turning now. You got them? Hey, I got it all on camera. Don't you worry.
Where did they go?
They're right under us. They're going that way.
Okay, they're there. Right straight.
Yeah. Look at them. They're underneath us. I can see how deep they are. They go deep and then they come back up. They come up for light, eh? They like to say hello. Yeah, they're under here. They're under here. Oh, there they are. Look, babe, you see them? You see them? I see them all under the water. Look, 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 look. They're going under us.
No, this side, this side, this side.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
They're gonna come up with this wave.
Yeah, they like the waves. Oh, right there, yeah. Unreal. Unreal, man. That's cool. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, babe. Look, 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 look.
Wow. They're so beautiful.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know how cool this is?
I think your camera's kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's cool, man. Look at them. We're right under them. We're right on top of them. They like to play. Look.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me just put my phone away.
Let her just put her phone away.
Hold on.
Look, they're even there still. Look, they're all over the place, man. That's cool, man. So now we go see islands.